first, let's open this URL. This is GitHub URL. So this is the code for the whole model. Now this is used in inference, but the code is same for training. If you understand this, you will be able to adapt this to training code as well. In the notebook, I went one by one. So starting from parallel embeddings, I explained. You can read yourself. I think this is very well explained, better explained in the notebook than I can explain right now. So it explains what all of these masks are, for example. Then it will go to this one, then this one, and it will go one by one and explaining all of this code. So I used Gemini by Google because it has 1 million context window, so I can use it to explain this code better. You can find each of these functions, for example, class MOE. You can go here and search for class MOE, and here it is. I can find the whole title here, and then you can start reading if you are interested just in this. And if there is anything unclear, you can copy this part that's unclear and paste into AI chatbot and ask it to explain better. I hope this helps, and see you in the next video.